Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain about the three-language policy which has been introduced by CBSE board in the session 2026-27. If I start with class 10th, there will be no changes in case of class 10th subject combinations. Whatever the two languages they are having, they can continue with that only. And they will not be studying third language as R3. Next I am coming class 9th, those who are studying in the session 2026-27. The students of class 9th, they must have to study the third language which is known as R3. There is a concept of three languages. Among three, two must be Indian native languages and one should be foreign language. In that case, there are three sorts of cases may arise which I am going to clarify over here. Number one, if the child is already having two Indian native languages, then he can opt for another foreign language. Case 2. If the child is already having one Indian native language and one foreign language, in that case he can opt for another Indian native language. Case 3. If the child is having two foreign languages, in that case, the child can opt for one additional Indian native language. Those who are studying in class 9th, though they will be studying the third language, but that will be judged by the school only. There will be no board examination for those students, those who are presently studying in class 9, and next year, that means in the session 2027-28, those who will be appearing for the board examinations, for them also, they are not going to appear in the third language. Next, I am coming for the classes 7th and 8th. In these cases also, when these children will be reaching classes 9th and 10th, certainly they will be studying the third language which is known as R3. But that will be absolutely judged by the school only. They are not going to appear the board examinations in the third language. If the child is in class 6th in the session 2026-27, it is mandatory for them to study the third language, right? And this class 6th batch, while they will be reaching class 10th, they must have to appear in third language in the board examination. Point to be noted. There are some exemptions are there. Like number one, those who are the children who are studying in foreign countries, while they are coming to India, exemptions are there in case of studying one Indian native language. Next exemptions for them, those who are coming from foreign to India, those who are coming back to study in India, exemptions are for them also. They also don't require to study the third language as one of the Indian native language. Next, those who are parents, the case 3, where the parents are migrating from one state to another state. The children, whatever the combinations of the subjects they were having in the previous state, they can continue with that only in the changed state also, and the school need to help these children. Other than that, the PWD students, for them also, in case of opting third language, exemptions are there. Those who belong to this category, PWD, they don't require to study with the third language, right? These are the exemptions. So I hope now it's very much clear to all of you. Still, if there is any sort of confusion, you can come to the comment box. You can write your queries. I will be there certainly to clear your doubts. One more point to be said. There are some cases where CBSE board has given some exemptions. Number one, the children, those who are studying in foreign countries, they don't require to opt one Indian native language. There are exemptions for them. Thank you so much. Stay blessed always.